Hey guys, it's Tam. So a lot of you guys have reached an audience number where you can set up a retargeting ad. And I wanted to run through the process with you guys to make sure that you knew how to do that. So I'm going to go ahead and share my screen. I'm going to run through creating a retargeting ad based on people that have watched your videos. And you can go from there. So once you're inside your ads manager, you're going to see audiences. Inside audiences, you're going to go to create a new audience, and you're going to create a custom audience, and you're going to choose video. People who viewed at least 10 seconds of your video. And then you want to browse to choose videos. Now you can pick, oh sorry, I got to pick the page. So we're going to pick the page. And then let's say we want, I'm just going to pick these, but you would pick which particular videos you want for them to have watched. I'm going to say that I want for them to have watched the testimonial videos. And I'm going to select them and confirm. And it's going to take a little bit to get them, but people who watched at least 10 seconds of these particular videos is what I'm looking for. Watched 10-sec testimonials. And then create audience. And that's it. You're good to go. And it'll show up in here once it's done populating, and that does take roughly half an hour. One of the audiences, it took almost a day to populate, so don't worry if it takes a little bit of time. But that is how to create a custom retargeting audience based on video views.